I just got my rapid test at the Steveston Medicine Shoppe and I am going to walk you through it. Make sure to blow your nose and sanitize your hands. Prepare for your test. Take the test tube and rest it on the tray. Open the buffer. Mine comes like this. Place the buffer content into the tube. Open the swab and insert it in your nose. Swirl, swirl. Now press on your nostril to make sure you did it right. Okay, now with the other side. All set. It's time to process the sample. Take your test tube and insert the swab. Make sure to squeeze it inside the tube before you take it out. Place the cap filter on the tube. Next, open the packed test device. It looks like this. And now we're going to place 3 drops in the sample well and wait 15 minutes for the results. These are the instructions and the result interpretations, and according to this, I don't have COVID.